Hello students. And the next one is types of function. We have many types of function. We will see one by one, right? The first one is one-to-one function. This is called one-to-one function. So how we can find a one-to-one function? We have certain rules for all the functions, right? Okay. So this is the arrow diagram. This is the example for one-to-one function. So before check whether it is a one-to-one function, first we have to check whether it is a function, right? So what is the condition for function? We have two conditions. The first condition is all the elements in the domain must have an image. Yes, one have an image, two have an image, three also have an image. First condition satisfied. Second condition is all the elements in the domain have only one image. Yes, one have only one image, two have only one image, three have only one image. Therefore, it is a function. Now, it is one-to-one function or not. So we have to check. So the condition for one-to-one function is all the elements in the domain have distinct image in B. All the elements in set A have distinct image. Distinct image means different image in B. For example, 1. What is the image of 1? 4. What is the image of 2? 5. What is the image of 3? 7. Therefore, all the elements are distinct. 4 is different from 5. 5 is different from 7, right? All the images are distinct, which means different here. Therefore, it is a one-to-one function. So, one-to-one function is nothing but all the elements in the domain have distinct image, which means it is one-to-one function. So let's see this one. 3, 7, 2, 1, 5, 6. 3 have an image, 7 have an image, 2 have an image. So 3 have only one image, 7 have only one image, 2 have only one image. Therefore, it is a function. After that, condition for one-to-one function. All the elements in the domain have distinct image. Yes, 1, 5, 6. All the images are distinct. Therefore, it is one-to-one function. Right? And what is called, next one is many-to-one function. Many-to-one function. What is called many-to-one function? This is simply opposite to one-to-one function. So these two functions are a pair. So one-to-one function, many-to-one function. So many-to-one function is opposite to one-to-one function. In one-to-one function, all the images are distinct. Here we have common images, that's all. That is the difference between one-to-one and many-to-one. So first of all, this is the example for many-to-one function. First check whether it is a function or not. All the elements in the domain must have an image. Yes, 1 have an image, 2 have an image, 3 also have an image. Second condition is all the elements in the domain have only one image. Yes, 1 have only one image, 2 have only one image, 3 have only one image. Therefore, it is a function. Many-to-one function means we have common image for the elements in A. Yes, the image of 1 is 4. The image of 2 is 5. And the image of 3 also 5. So we have the common image in B for the elements of A. Both the 2 and 3 have the common image B. It is a function and it is a many-to-one function because we have common images, right? So one-to-one and many-to-one. So these are straight opposite. So one-to-one function means all the images are unique. All the images are, we have different images. 4, 5, 7. All the images are different. But here we have the image of 1 is 4, image of 2 is 5, image of 3 is also 5. We have the common image for 2 and 3. Right? Here we don't have the common image. All the images are unique. So if the images are unique, it is one-to-one function. If we have the common image, it is called many-to-one function. Here also we have the same one. 7 have an image, 2 have an image, 1 have an image. 7 have only one image, 2 have only one image, 1 have only one image. So it is a function. And we have the common image for 2 and 1. That is 6. Therefore it is many-to-one function. So this is the difference between one-to-one and many-to-one.